this is day one of like diagnosing the problems with this car. But tell me how. Shout out to Jathan right there. Yo, definitely give my boy a subscribe. Give my boy a subscribe. Like, subscribe to his channel, bro. Get my boy up to 1K. Do it for me. Do it for me. Do it for me, bro.
I'm not even at 200 yet.
Oh, damn, that I was thought you was at like 5.
I wish, bro. I'm about to be at 200. I'm like 6 subscribers away.
That's crazy.
I'm inconsistent, bro. So like that's my fault, bro. You get me?
I feel you. So yeah, so Jathan was like, yo, put it in first and like clutch in and like give it gas, do a 2-step. I'm like, okay. Bro, peep this. So yeah, it has a nasty 2-step. My boy Jathan put in an octane booster in.
Hopefully it works.
Hopefully it works, because we literally thinks this car will do a pull. Let's see. I'm gonna have to fight this shit to turn on. Yeah, for real. All right.
We might have to fight this bit to turn on. That's crazy.
Yep. This battery sucks ass.
Yeah, bro. It's crazy. Still trying to crank the car. I don't think it's gonna crank. We might have to put the booster pack on. Let me get the. You got the booster pack? Yeah. Don't get out. Don't get out. You don't even have to get out. Put that.
Okay, where's the positive? Positives right there.
So yeah, take that out first. I ain't trying to get. Yeah, I got you. I'll put it for you. Got you, bro. Let me get that.
I'm gonna put the negative on first.
Yeah. Put the negative on.
Wait. Okay. Once the negative is on, I gotta do the.
Go ahead. Let me know. Put positive on?
No.
No. Okay. Wait, don't crank yet.
It's on.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on, be a good car. Start. Hey, wait a little bit.
Let me just... Alright. Prime the fuel pump.
At least this time.
Chill. That battery's smoking, boy.
Yeah, I smell that shit.
Look at this. Look at this, YouTube. This battery's fucking might be fried.
As of yesterday's video, this car damn near left me stranded. Something is wrong. I'm pretty sure it's the wiring harness. I put a new battery in it and it barely wants to start, like the battery's weak or something, but I just bought a brand new battery. So right now I'm changing the spark plugs, or I'm gonna just check the spark plugs, but I'm just gonna change them anyway. Right now I've already got stuff disconnected. Gonna need a coil pack cover too. I'm about to put a coil pack cover too. Coil packs don't look bad. Nothing is dunked up with oil. I don't like this, which I have another Denso coil pack in my TSX right here, so I'm gonna replace that one.
Why you don't just replace all of them?
Because these don't look all terrible.
Why would you throw that on the floor?
Because it looks like junk. No, I'm gonna say that though. Here's the fun part. Let me see your phone for flashlight.
Let me get in there with you.
Spark plugs don't even look bad though. Hold up. We're gonna take them out and we're gonna see for sure if it's bad. They look pretty fucking new. Excuse my language. I'm trying to curse less. fucking tighten this shit. Okay, it's not out yet. This looks wrong. That's crazy.
Yo, bro.
Cylinder 3 right here. What's the part numbers on these? Bro, these are the same ones.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if these are 6998s.
They are the same part number.
Same part number?
I'm looking right at it.
Yeah, you're right. They're the exact same ones. Okay, so these are 6998s. But the car used to be boosted though, which is why we have a half-size radiator. So my guess is, because you're not supposed to use 6998s for a boosted car. That's what I've heard in the forums.
What forums, huh?
I don't know, the Honda forums.
Tell them that you're a fake Honda guy.
I am a fake Honda guy.
Nice. Tell them I'm paying you. Oh, yo, bro.
Wow. Yeah, I just realized this isn't a Denso spark plug. I mean, that's a spark coil pack. Like, it doesn't have a name, but I search up this part number, I don't know. So I had coil packs lying around. I just put fresh new spark plugs. Like, as I saw, spark plugs were black as hell. Car was definitely running super rich. Shout out to Aaron Toon. He's pulling up on me to my house so he can diagnose the car further than I would, obviously. Because I ain't no mechanic at all. I'm just a kid that just can do certain things, you know? All right, baby, ready? Start it. Might have to fight it, though. Takes forever to start. Sounds much better. It sounds so much better. What the hell? It sounds a lot better. But something is loose though. Clutch in? Clutch in. Ah, it's a throttle bearing, okay. Alright, let go of the clutch. You hear it? Clutch in. Clutch in. That's the throttle bearing. You hear it? Now put your foot on the clutch just a little bit. Yeah, that's the throttle bearing. Throttle bearing's probably no good, which I have a throttle bearing in my house. Whenever we... Yo, it sounds really good. It sounds healthy. Sounds healthy. Shout out to my girl. Much better. Much better. I wonder if we could two-step. Alright guys, we're driving the car 40 minutes away. We're driving to my tuner's house. Shout out to Aaron Toon for even allowing a customer like me to go to your house. You know, go to tuner. But yeah, I got my girl Chelsea, she in the TSX right in front of me. Just in case I need a ride home, I'm just gonna get a ride home in the TSX. So I'm 100% more prepared. But Aaron's just going over what the car needs and whatever, and that's pretty much it. And he's probably gonna see why it's in limp mode, because it doesn't go past 4,000.